My name is Nishal Banskoda, and I am the second generation tea producer at Kanchanjanga Tea Estate and Research Center. Kanchanjanga Tea Estate is the first organic certified tea garden in Nepal that my father started in 1984, and it is located in the foothills of the eastern Himalayas. It was a tea garden that almost 100 farmers pooled their unused lands and created a cooperative model of the tea estate. We traditionally produce organic green teas and black teas, but since the past decade we have been venturing out into other specialty teas, and we produce some oolongs and a very special white tea as well. We're really proud of the teas that we produce here, and the farmers and also the tea makers that make these amazing teas. Every tea that is produced here is made with an intention and a purpose to really create some change. And so to add to that, there's a lot of climatic conditions, the microclimate of the area, the age of the bushes, and just the intention that goes on in making all of these different teas. It just helps us produce some of the best teas in the world.